Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover Dynamic SQL. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover native Dynamic SQL method. In Dynamic SQL, data type and number of bind variables used must be known in advance. We can store the query in variable with optional bind variables, and we can create and execute the SQL at runtime or Dynamic SQL using execute immediate variable with SQL query into variables using value for bind variable, and we can display values of variables on terminal. In the next program, I am going to cover DBMS SQL method. In DBMS SQL method, first we need to open cursor to execute SQL statement using DBMS SQL.openCursor method, which will return cursor ID. We need to check syntax and keep the query ready for execution using parse method with parameter as cursor ID, variable with SQL query, DBMS SQL.native. We need to assign the values to bind variables using bind variable method with parameter as cursor ID, bind variable, value. We need to define relative position for variables using define column method with parameter as cursor ID, relative position, variable name, precision, if type is varchar 2. We need to execute the query using execute method. We can fetch rows using fetch rows method with cursor ID as parameter. And we can put the values into variables using column value method with parameter as cursor ID, relative position, variable name. We can display values of variables on terminal. And we can close cursor using close cursor method with parameter as cursor ID. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Oracle PL SQL interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.